Good morning. Sa mga request kung anong inclusions. So this is the box. This is the what you call it, Type C, Type C to Type C charging cable. This is the Insta360 stick. Okay, mahaba ito. Ayan, okay. So, 1 meter yata ito. Then, this is the actual unit, the X4. Meron siyang thermal guard. Nilagyan na siya ng thermal guard. So, this doesn't have a memory card. You have to put memory card. But powered on, ito siya. Okay, so, naka-reset na siya. So, wala siya. Shutdown camera. Okay, tama, wala. Kasi you still have to set that in voice activation. So, para ma-start na mo, ito. Press mo yan. Ayan. Okay? So, ito yung kasama. This is the battery. Meron siyang isang battery kasama. Okay? This has really been barely used. Kasi gusto ko lang bago yung aking mga units. Ayoko meron ako luma. Okay? So, ang isa pa lang kasama is ito. Yung panlinis. Okay? Walang kagas-gas to. So, pero ito, na-replaceable din to. Okay? Kaya yun ang gusto ko sa X4. So, ito. There you go. So, ito yung ating binibenta. There. Or ito. Ayan. See you. Shutdown.